Hello, in this lesson we'll see how the method toString in JavaScript works and how we can modify this method. Each object in JavaScript contains a toString method, and this method returns a textual representation of the object. We have a class called car, which contains brand, color and maximum speed. We create an instance of the class car named anyCar and add arguments to the constructor. We write the instance named anyCar in the document. And now we try to open the page and see that the toString method only shows the object for anyCar instance. However, we can easily rewrite and modify the toString method so that this method returns the result we need. In JavaScript, we can easily override the default method by rewriting this method. So now we uncomment our written toString method. In which we return the values we want to display. We will try to run the page again and see that the rewriting toString method now displays the properties of the anyCar instance with a text description. That is exactly as we entered it in the toString function. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like, subscribe to this channel and put like.